Hello and welcome. In today's video, I will be doing a suspended sifted pour. I cut the bottom of a solo cup, put a hole on the two sides on the top, attached yarn to the closet rod, and prop that up with jack stands. The colors being used are Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White and Black, Burnt Umber, Deep Yellow, Orange, and Deep Red. All paint was mixed with Floetrol and water. I prefer to do this over a ring pour just because it gives you a different looking center. Here's a little close-up before it's spun. just going to give it a slight torch to pop some of the bubbles. That last corner was being stubborn and not wanting to cover. Just making sure that everything is covered. Just trying to recenter it, but by this time there wasn't enough paint left on the canvas to do so. Here is the different looking center. The camera is making the orange and red look pink, even in some spots it looks purple. While editing, I had to go back and look and make sure it wasn't pink. I took a picture with my phone and it shows the true coloring. I'll add that to the end of the video. As always, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you in the next one.